Welcome back, guys, to another episode of GTA 5. Well, we're gonna go find Lmar and save his ass, because he's trying to in trouble in a sawmill. Don't know why he's in a sawmill, but there we go. GTA for you.
Franklin, what's up?
Hey man, I'm in a bit of a bad situation. My boy Lmar got set up. I think he up near Polito Bay at some sawmill with some ballers. Could you do some computer magic and look into it? Is that possible at all?
Should be. I've got a back door into the Polito Bay police network left over from the score we did up there. Give me a second here. Hold on. Yes.
So what it say?
This must be it. There are older reports of a weed operation being run by an African-American gang. The files got buried, so I'm guessing they paid off the cops.
They growing weed up there?
Growing it in the hills, most likely, but they might be packing and shipping it out of this sawmill. I'd expect a fair few of them up there.
Shit. And I'm gonna need some help. Can you tell Mike and Trevor to meet me up there?
They still aren't getting along that well.
Tell them it's for me, and it's serious. Thanks, man.
It's carnage here, and also not a little confusing. No one is quite sure what happened, but thanks to their utter professionalism,
So,
our
got Micheal and
security
Trevor on the
forces
team
were
now.
able to
Nice.
have people at the scene of the crime almost as soon as it
I like those
became
missions when they group
attempt to
together.
arrest
It's
the
pretty
terror
cool, and you
suspect
can
and
switch
switch
between them, and they all
straight
got different
into a
aspects of the fight.
combat.
Like Trevor will have a high ground, Micheal will be at the front, and Trevor will be like in a vehicle somewhere ready to get away. Or either that, or he'll be down with Micheal shooting everything. Ah, not the car. It's a nice looking car, don't break the car. Looks like it's a shortcut. Oh shit, okay, don't take shortcuts, don't take shortcuts, don't take shortcuts. Oh! Oh. Well, shit. I can't even see the where I am. There we go. This is horrible. Why I crashed a car? This is what happens when I take shortcuts. Karma comes to bite me in the ass. Spam the A button. Come on. Almost at the main road, we can do it. I suppose it'll do.
This is fucked up, man. Oh, man.
Jesus Christ, I hate the radio channels in this fucking thing. I still think they should like make the MP3 radio thing so you can just like you can download Social Club and just put your songs in there you want to put on this playlist and it'll play on your radio. Yeah, something like that, and make it get the game a bit more interactive as well. But no, they have to choose this crap for you. I believe. Well, that ruined it. Oh, actually, what songs will I put on? I don't know. I never actually thought of that. Interesting. I never actually thought of it in that depth before. Oh, I missed him.
You gotta watch out, fool.
Oh, he didn't fly off. That's not fun. So where is this Sawmill heading to anyway? Come on, that's the top hill, come on. I know you're a shit car, but you can do it. There we go, we made it. Okay, from the tunnel. Can't be too far off now, right? Right, it's just down there, right. Oh shit! Nailed it, come on, land it, land it, land it. Landed it. No I didn't, no I didn't, it's still going. No. There's a tree. Oh, I missed the tree, shit. Oh shit, no, it's still going. Oh god, no! If this car still moves, I'm gonna be bloody surprised. Oh my god, it still moves. It's fine, the tracking's fine, the engine's fine, it's just the bodywork's been destroyed. I feel no difference in the car, it's not drifting to one side
Why'd you
either.
invite this stoolie, huh? We want Lamar to be rescued, not sold to the feds. Give it a rest, asswipe.
Man, would y'all two shut the fuck up? Now let's take a look at this place, man. Lester said this was some type of big weed store spot.
Place is crawling with ballers, you know? Now me and you, we don't mind the old gang warfare, but Suede Buck's over there.
Yeah. Tell Trevor I said bite me.
Man, I said shut up. Now I see the weed, but where the fuck is Lmar? Oh shit, there he go.
You know what? Tell Trevor I'm gonna be up on this hill with my rifle. I don't want to be anywhere around him when he fucks this whole thing up.
Classic, huh? He's already planning his escape. Oh, fuck.
He runs away from the fight, I run towards it.
I saw a few possible entry points when I got here. One, the front entrance on the right there. It's the most direct way in and most likely the heaviest.
Shit getting hot, homie. Strap up.
No time for this nonsense, let's go!
Shit, come on Trevor, you can do it.
I'ma kill your ass once, I'ma kill your ass again, you dig?
Frank! You found Lamar yet?
No, dog, just more ballers.
Shit, Trevor, go!
Bring out Lamar! We'll go away! Give us the mouthy one, and we'll be gone! Lamar! Lamar!
Right, he's down.
You got a friend of ours!
Right, let's try sniping for a bit. piece of shit. Right, there's another guy somewhere. Oh, he's past the pier somewhere? Oh, there he is. One down. I've forgotten how to get out of the scope. Oh dear God. There's Trevor. Who's next on my list? But aim up here for some reason. Damn it, where's all the rest of them? Guess I'll switch back to... Trevor's not Trevor, Frank's got a stand, I'll switch to him, I guess. Yeah, I've got slammed back on the go, yes.
It's getting sick with them! Dude, I'm getting mashed!
We'll go over the bridge over.
Hey, I see Lmar! Hey, Lmar, it's me. We getting out of here, dawg.
Oh, fancy seeing you here, motherfucker.
Yeah, huge coincidence, huh? Come on, man.
There's more of them coming! A lot more! Move it, guys, come on!
Oh, I'm taking this motherfucker.
Let us go! If we go this way, we'll have Michael's gun for support!
Nice job, actually, that's a good idea, let's do that. Michael.
Cover us, Mikey!
One more, but I can't seem to get areas. Stand up again.
Mike, you planning on shooting these bricks?
I only got so many bullets! Move it! Quick!
Shit, I can't see him down the
Get out
street.
your fat ass and do some shooting, pork chop!
Got him. Alright, next one. Go on, Trevor. Finish the last one off somewhere. I can't see him.
I can take care of myself. Go!
Hey, T, you got to tell the people up at the strip club that your boy Long Dick drank for free. You heard?
Right, let's go.
Hey, we getting out of here, man. Let's go. Shit, homie. You all right?
I'm straight, homie. Bitches got the jump on me, though.
How they get you to come all the way out here?
Man, I ain't finna let a little drive stand in the way of a money-making opportunity.
Or get killed opportunity?
Man, you always a pessimist.
Nah, nigga. A realist. Cause in reality, all them fools wanna clap your ass.
Man, what a trust that dog. I peeped out that wood chopping place when we was up this way on that Devin Weston car lit, which I still ain't been paid for, incidentally. All secluded and shit. Stretch hit me up, I'm like, yeah, that's the perfect place to buy kush by the business.
Nigga, perfect place to clap some fool you beefing with.
Man, I ain't even know at the time. I just thought we was gonna parlay.
Parlay? Nigga, please. Every time you leave the house, fools try to clap you. Every meet you set up, homies there for the express purpose of clapping your ass.
Man, you sure? Cause I'm sure there's been a few times when...
No, I'm completely 100% sure. Every time, nigga. Whether you buying drugs, selling drugs, or discussing drugs. Talking about the weather or whatever.
Man, these streets is hard, dawg. This the hood you talking about. Damn! Yeah, damn! This the hood you talking about. Maybe you forgot, since you've been bettering yourself, sitting in that house on the hill, looking down on the... What y'all? Animals in South Central and shit.
Man, you know it ain't like that.
Do I, my nigga? Because that's the way it looked to me. I'm making the best out of what I'm given. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't in some type of mentorship program. The only mentor I got... Damn!
Right, fucking well.
What?
Alright, Lmar, we're gonna get up here. Just put the gun away as well, so something's done. There we go. Shit. Yes, I'm up. Right, Lmar, come on. You next. I'm gonna get a car, hang on. How was it?
Oh, Christ!
Could do with a smaller car, really. That'll do. Don't beat the horn at me, I want the car. Get out of the car. Come on, we can do this.
This don't make no fucking sense.
Right, get in the car.
Me, Michael, Trevor, we all came up here to help. We all came up here to help.
The unholy fucking trinity. Ballers beware when these fools rolling together.
You jealous of Michael and Trevor?
What happened to me and you fucking shit up? Form gangsters, nigga.
So I shouldn't have called them, right? Man, I was doing everything in my power to make sure you wasn't clapped.
I can make sure I ain't clapped.
Clearly you can't.
Next time, homie, don't come. And matter of fact, if you do come, don't bring them dudes.
Man, look, let's not talk next time.
We flying now.
Next time, don't get your ass in the situation, all right?
It's the hood, Frank. That's what happens in the hood.
No, the fuck it don't. Not for everyone.
I'm one of them dudes that it happens to.
Man, you gonna tell me what was going on back there?
Hood shit, homie. That's the shit that's different from the country club shit your overpaid ass is presently accustomed to.
Man, Stretch put us on this shit, man. Man, we gonna get on his ass.
Man, fuck that, homie. Look like I give a shit?
Nigga, I give a shit.
Stretch do what he do. Niggas want me dead, be dead themselves. I ain't gonna overreact to shit. Fuck, man! I ain't gonna overreact to shit. Stretch do what he do. Niggas want me dead, be dead themselves. I ain't gonna overreact to shit.
Overreact? Man, that nigga Stretch tried to get you killed, nigga.
Nigga, that's the hood. I'm still here, ain't I?
Just.
You sure Stretch knew they was gonna book me?
Yeah, nigga, Stretch knew. Everybody knew Stretch.
He crashed in the back of the car and killed himself. Oh dear God. Right guys, we're going to leave this episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. And yeah, cheers for watching.
Hey kid, do I have your attention? I know the way you've been living. Life so reckless, tragedy endless. Welcome to the